Good hold. Right here. Yeah, good. Drop. Yes. Yes. That's right. That is right. Okay. Yeah. That is so cool. I am working on teaching her how to get a pill bottle for me. This is empty, obviously, but it still has the label so that she gets the idea of what it feels like in the mouth and all that stuff. You're funny. Yeah, you're funny. Pill? Come on, pill. You gotta get it. Pill? Here, take. Come on, take. Take. I know, take. There you go. I know, you're yawning. Hold. Hold. Good hold, yes. This is the first that she's actually pretty willingly taken something like this. Yeah. Good job. Give. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Oops. Get it. Get it. Come on. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Get it. Come on. You're fine. Come on. Come on. You got this. This is the first time ever for this. Come on. Take it. Take. I was trying to get her to understand she's got to open her mouth and take the thing. Come on. Take it. Come on. Take it. You gotta take the thing. Take. Take. Come on, take. There you go. Hold. Hold. No chewing. Hold. Good. Yeah. Give. Yeah. See? Good job. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good girl. You love that, I know. You're like, oh, that's my favorite spot. Good job. That's a first. Oh my goodness. You're funny. Good job. We'll keep working on that till you get it, really good at it. Yeah. That could be helpful for me. Very helpful.